Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're heading to Publix. The dates for these deals are February the 21st to February the 27th. As always, these deals are all digital, so you're going to be using your phone to score on some awesome deals. Now, going into Publix this week, I was able to get 13 awesome deals for you, but it was not easy. So, sit back, relax. You don't need to do anything but just watch. I've got all the deals for you in a printable breakdown. No need to print it off. You can just pull it up on your phone. Now, if you watch the video towards the end, please make sure you let me know that you finished the video and type in the comments. It helps me a ton. The first deal is on my favorite creamer. This is the Chobani coffee creamer. These are usually about $5.39, but they're BOGO. So they'll be $2.70 each. You're going to pick up two of them. Your total will be $5.40. There is a $1 coupon on the Publix app. So with that $1 coupon, they're going to be $4.40 or about $2.20 per Chobani creamer. Now, tell me what your favorite creamer is. I love the Chobani French vanilla. So will be coming into strawberry season very soon. And so these strawberries are usually $5 for a small package, and they are buy one get one free. So each package is going to be $2.50. So this Rana pasta and this Rana sauce is the fresh pasta, and it's over there beside the cheese and yogurts, butter. And this is one of our favorite ones to get for like a quick little meal for the kids. The Rana pasta is usually $5.20, but it's on BOGO, so it'll be $2.60 per bag. In addition to that, there is a $1 coupon on the Publix app. So with that $1 coupon and the BOGO, it will make the pasta $1.60. Before I continue, there's usually deals on Cetaphil products every month at Publix, and there is an awesome $4 coupon. Um, but the link is in the description for the $4 coupon. So make sure you go to the link in my description box, click on the Cetaphil coupon. It'll take you there, and you will get a coupon for $4 off. These are like the large bags of turtles. They're super yummy. So they're usually $4.59. They're buy one get one free. So they'll be $2.30. There's no coupon on this, but $2.30 on a bag of turtles is really yummy. And I'm thinking about picking up one of these for my secret pal for Easter. So the Ritz sour cream and onion toasted chips are a family favorite. These are $4.69, but they're buy one get one free. So they'll be $2.35. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up two bags. Your total will be $4.70. There's a $1.50 IBOTTA rebate when you buy two. So that's going to leave you to pay $3.20 for both bags or $1.60 each. Good little deal on the tasty cakes. They are buy one get one free. So they'll be $1.75 per bag. Decent deal on the Progresso soup because they're usually $3.15, but they're going to be $1.08 after the deal. So what you're going to do is they're going to be $1.58 after the BOGO. You're going to pick up four of them. Your total is going to be $6.32. Then there is a $1 coupon on the Publix app. It's going to bring your total down to $5.32. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back. That's going to make it $4.32 or $1.08 per can. Now, this is something we usually don't get coupons on or we don't get any Ibotta rebates, but these are going to be on the zippy bags. And the Glad zippy bags, this is the 50 count. They're usually $3.49. Now, this is something I am going to definitely stock up on at Publix this week because after the BOGO, there'll be $1.75 per box. And I am running really low because the last time I got good deals on the Ziploc bags was at Christmas, and we are almost out. So $1.75 after the BOGO. Good deal. Stockable needs. No coupons needed. If you didn't use the coupon last week on the water, the Pure Life water, this will be a moneymaker this week. So what you're going to do is, because it's a threshold coupon and it's a save $5 when you spend 15, you don't have you it's $15 before the sales. So what you're going to do, these are $5.99, they're buy one get one free, so they'll be $3 each. Now you're going to pick up 3 flats of these waters. That's going to make your total $9. Then you're going to use that $5 coupon on the Publix app if you didn't use it last week. It's going to make your total to register $4. After that, you can visit the No Dry January website if you want, and you can submit your receipt, because when you spend $15, you'll get back a $5 gift card from this website. So with the $5 coupon, the $5 rebate back from this website, and the BOGO, it should make this a $1 moneymaker, or a moneymaker. Can't be a week at Publix without getting some decently priced bacon. This week it is a Smithville bacon. It is $8.99 and it will be $4.50 after the BOGO. No coupons on this one. So this is my favorite deal of the day, and this is going to be on the Secret deodorant, because I just don't get enough deals on deodorant. I always like to put deodorant in blessing bags, and I haven't been able to do that lately. So this is what we're going to do. You're going to pick up 4 of the Secret deodorants. The one that I picked up was $6.23. So 4 of them is going to be $24.92. Now, every time you buy 2, you're going to get off $3 automatically at the register. So that $3 automatically at the register is going to come off twice. So at the register, $6 is going to come off for you. In addition to that, there are 3 coupons that are all going to attach to those 4 deodorants. There is a $1 coupon that's going to come off, a $3 when you buy 2, and a $5 when you spend $15. So all 3 of those are going to come off at the register. That is $9 in coupons. So now with the sale and the coupons, your total went from $24.92 to $9.92, or $2.48 each. All right, good deal on the Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid. The smallest one you can get is $6.49. Now the $2 sale price is going to come off at the register. So from $6.49 down to $4.49 automatically when you buy the Finish Jet Dry. In addition to that, there are a couple $2 coupons. So only one of these $2 coupons is going to come off. So with that $2 coupon and that $2 sale price, it's going to make the Finish Jet Dry $2.49. Allergy season is coming, and you don't need to skip on this deal. This is a great deal. This is the Astapro allergy medicine, 60 dosage on this, and it's pretty expensive. It's $18.99, but I'm going to show you how to get it down to $6.99. So the original price was $18.99. There is a $4 coupon on the Publix app. In addition to that, there is a $4 coupon in the extra savings flyer that you can find at the front of your store in the little Publix carousel. So right now, with the $4 coupon and the $4 coupon from the extra savings flyer, you can combine both of those. That's $8 in savings. Your total is going to be $10.99, but there's more. Then you'll submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $4 back. So with the coupon, the store coupon, and the IBOTTA for $4 back, it's going to leave you to pay $6.99 when the original price was $18.99. Okay, if you made it to the end of this video, please type in the comments "end I appreciate a ton when you guys watch my videos from beginning to end. It helps to support my channel and also bringing me back every week to bring you these deals. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully, I'll be heading to Target this weekend.